In today's video, I'm going to teach you product valuation by lot and serial number in Odoo. We'll begin inside Odoo by opening the inventory app. This is where all of the product tracking and valuation settings we need are managed. Once you're in inventory, go to configuration and then click settings. From here, scroll down until you reach the traceability section. This area controls how Odoo tracks products through your inventory operations. In the traceability section, enable the option for lots and serial numbers by ticking the box. This setting is essential because valuation by lot or serial number depends on product traceability being turned on first. After selecting it, click Save to apply the change. It's always a good idea to save right away when updating core inventory settings so nothing is lost before moving to the next section. Next, go back to configuration and choose categories under the product section. Here, select the product category you want to use. This matters because valuation behavior is often defined at the category level, which helps keep your inventory setup consistent across similar products. Inside the product category, set the costing method to either first in, first out, also known as FIFO, or average cost, also called AVCO. Then set inventory valuation to automated. These settings are important because automated valuation allows Odoo to create the accounting impact of inventory movements, while FIFO or AVCO determines how the product cost is calculated over time. Make sure these are configured correctly before continuing, since they directly support lot and serial valuation. After that, go to inventory, then products, and open the specific item you want to track. In the general information tab, check the track inventory box. This tells Odoo that the product should be monitored at the inventory level. Once that box is enabled, choose either by lots or by unique serial number from the drop-down menu depending on how you manage that item in real life. Lots are typically used for groups of items that share the same batch, while serial numbers are used when each unit must be tracked individually. Finally, check the valuation by lot serial number box that appears directly below. This is the key setting that tells Odoo to value inventory based on the specific lot or serial number rather than using only broader product level costing behavior. Once these settings are in place, your product is configured for lot or serial based valuation in Odoo. This can give you more precise cost visibility and better traceability, especially for products where batch level or unit level tracking is important.